In today's video, I'm going to teach you Codex CLI versus Claude AI Coding Assistant. If you're deciding between two popular AI coding companions, this walkthrough will help you understand where each one shines and how they can even work together. We'll compare overall experience, safety, planning, workflow, and the sweet spot for each tool. Let's start with Codex CLI. It focuses on simplicity and speed. The interface is straightforward, setup is minimal, and it's engineered for fast performance thanks to its Rust foundation. By default, Codex runs in a sandbox that limits file access, which adds a safety layer while you explore changes. It also ships with a strong model, GPT 5.2, and a larger context window, so it can keep more of your codebase and instructions in mind at once. If you care about cost, Codex tends to be budget-friendly with generous usage, which makes it a solid daily driver for quick iterations and longer sessions. Claude, on the other hand, leans into customization and developer ergonomics. You can tailor the environment with themes, enable Vim mode, add hooks, and use slash commands to speed up common actions. Its plan mode gives you a structured space to brainstorm safely before any edits happen, so you can clarify intent, surface trade-offs, and avoid noisy diffs. Claude can even spawn sub-agents or connect with other tools, which is helpful for larger tasks that benefit from parallelization or specialized roles. Claude's default workflow encourages discipline. It begins by asking guiding questions to tighten the scope and gather requirements. From there, it produces a detailed plan that lists proposed file changes and dependencies. Nothing runs until you review and approve, which keeps you in control and makes the process auditable. A quick tip: provide concrete examples and constraints when it asks. The plan quality improves dramatically. You can also combine the two tools. Claude can call on Codex to review a plan, and Codex will provide feedback that sharpens Claude's output. This back and forth creates a tight loop. Claude organizes the work, Codex pressure tests it, and the result is clearer diffs and fewer surprises. So, which should you choose? Claude is best when you need rich customization and advanced features, but it can be costly and usage limited. Codex is best when you want speed, simplicity, and raw problem-solving power. Learn at least one deeply, and if you can, use both together. The pairing delivers a balanced, productive workflow.